All right. This is a situation where if you don't have a workbench, just sand down the blades on your lawnmower. This is what I did. Took the chair with arms rests, has to have armrests on it, and I took the cushion off. And I'm gonna use that right there and sand it down. Yep, that's how it looks right now. It needs to be sharpened. Push this one back a little bit. Like that. This out some more. Right there. There you go. Nice and tight. That part is good. Just gotta sharpen up down here a little more. This is now the other side of it. Do the same thing. The other side of the blade. Then I'm going to sharpen it. I have two blades I got to sharpen. Look how this one looks. Really dull, really dull. Oh yeah. And there it is, nice and sharp. Oh yeah. Alright, I hope this video that I made up helps you out. Hopefully this video helped you out a lot on how to sharpen your blades. And as you can see, I already put it back on. There's plenty of videos on that. Hope it helps. Thank you for watching.